Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and today in this video we are going to create an Italian restaurant website using HTML and CSS. If you are a beginner, then this video is for you, and if you are an advanced, then this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's start this video. In the previous video we made section 2. Now it's time to create section 3, which is this one section. You can see this image, heading and this paragraph. Okay, so this is in the section 3. So let's file, and after this section 2 create a section 3, and in this section 3 create a content div, and in this div add image, give the location of the image. Now after the image, use h1, our menu. After this, add h4 element, quality, ingredients, and tasty meals. After that, use paragraph and copy this paragraph, paste it here, save it, and here we are done with our section 3 structure. So this is our section 3. Let's open the section 3 CSS file. So here is the CSS file, and in the after the section 2 it's section 3. Width of this section 3 set it to 100%. Display flex, justify content center, margin bottom 100 pixel. Nothing is changed. Why? Section 3. Okay, because we are targeting the section 3, not the div. So section 3, now we are targeting the content div. Padding 4%, top to bottom and left and right. Text align center, also width 70%. Here you can see the difference. Now .sec3 .content image width set the 100 pixel. So this is we change the image size. Now again sec3 dot content, target the h1 element, margin top to bottom, left right 20 pixel, font family, where heading, okay, font size 45 pixel, font weight 500. okay, here it is. Now let's target the h4 section 3 dot content, h4 margin 35 pixel from top, left say 0, 20 pixel from bottom, and right 0. okay, font family, where title, font size 30 pixel, then font weight 600. Save it. Now it's time to target the last element, paragraph. Sec3 dot content paragraph, and font size 15 pixel, color RGB 92 tab 92, then press tab 92, margin top 20 pixel, and line height 1.5 RAM. Here you can see, so we have completed our section 3, this one section, you can see. Now it's time to create this one, section 4. Okay, so this is our section 4. Let's create this. Let's make the structure of this in our HTML file. So first wrap this section 3. Now create section 4. So this is the section 4 this is the section 4, and this is a div which is a box which has 3 column and 3 rows, like 1, 2 and 3. These are the rows, 1, 2, 3, these are the columns. So we will use grid method for this, and this is a div which we will create by giving class name menu, and this one for this one div we use content, for this one div we use image class. Okay, so let's first in this section 4 create a div menu, and in this menu div create a div with class content. And in this content div, what we have, first we have h4 element which is hem and fontina, then paragraph, and after that I span element for the price. So right here $0.00, and after this content div we have a image div. So image, and in this div add a image, menu item 1, save it. Let's see. So here we have content and this image. For same as it is, how many we want these? Content and image, and again content and image 2, content and image 3, content and image 4, and then content. So just copy and paste it for the 3 more times, 2, okay, this is the one time, second time, and third time. Now it's fourth time, and after that in the last there was a content div. So copy and paste it, copy and paste, save. Here you can see something is wrong here. Now copy and paste it. Again. Now it is okay. So we have a div content image. Okay, now let's style it. go to the CSS file, target sec4, and in this sec4 first add the image in the background, so background URL images, and here sec4 back jpg. So this one image, you can see this one image, this one in the background, so we added this image. Let's make it background size cover, display flex, flex direction column, and align item center, padding from the bottom 100 pixel. Save it. Let's see. So here is our section 4. Now let's target the section 4's menu div. So right here section 4 dot menu, and make it display as grid. Okay, now use grid template columns 1 fr 1 fr 1 fr. So what it means, it will create 3 columns, 1 2 and 3 columns with the same size, with equal size. Okay, so let me show you. Here you can see these are the 3 columns, like first div is content div, second is image div, and third one is content div. So it made 3 columns, and automatic rows, how many rows it requires. Okay, so we said him to create equal size 3 columns. Okay, because of display grid property we can do this. Okay, now grid template row. So now we are telling him to create rows like 350 pixel, 350 pixel and 350 pixel. Now we are telling the size, we are telling size of the rows. So we are saying that a row we need of the 350 pixel size, 3 pixel height होनी चाहिए इसकी, 350 pixel height we need, we require 350 pixel height of the row. Okay, now transform translate, like you can see here in this image, you can see this menu div is out of the section 4, but here it is in the section 4. Let me show you. First change the background color to the yellow. So this is our menu div, but it is in the section 4, but it is out the section 4. So how to do this? To do this we use transform property, and transform translate y means vertically minus 100 pixels. So we are making it transform minus 100 pixels. So we have taken the menu div out of the section 4 minus 100 pixels using the transform translate y property. Okay, now let's make width, set the width of this 90%, so the 10% will be space and 90% of this is the width. So we set the width 90% so that our column will take equal size, so we can increase the size of the column. That is why we set the width 90%. So you can see this orange border in this div, also in this div. Every div they have a border of orange color. Okay, So how to do this? Just we have to say target section 4, and in this section 4 target menu div and target all the divs in the menu. Okay, so we have this one div, then image div, then content div, then image div. So it is targeting all these divs, and we say add border to all these, 1 pixel border which is solid, and give it color main orange. Save it, and you can see this is the border, but the div is too wide and height is too long, so the image is not fit here. So we will also change this. Now let's target section 4 dot menu dot content. Now we are targeting content, so align content first center, so it will make the text in the center. This is, and text align center, so text in the center. Give it padding top to bottom 0 and 12% in the left and right. Background color set to the white, so we are using hash double F triple F 8F3. Save it. Here it is, the color. Now targeting section 4 dot content, and in this content div targeting H4. Font family set it to where title. Font size 28 pixel, and font weight 600. Margin bottom 20 pixel. Save it. Now let's target section 4 dot content p tag, font size 15 pixel, color RGB 92 92 92. Margin bottom 60 pixel, and line height 1.4 RAM. Now it's time to target the price, so sec4 dot menu span tag, font size 28 pixel, color RGB 41 41 and 41, border top 1 pixel solid black, and border bottom 1 pixel solid black. Padding 20 pixel from top to bottom and left right. Save it. Let's see. So here you can see it is same as this one. Okay, now let's set this image. Sec4 dot menu and image, targeting the image div, setting overflow hidden. Okay, now targeting sec4 dot image div, and in this image width set 100% and height set 100%. Object fit I will show you. So here you can see the image is little bit stretch, if you can see. So let's write object fit cover. Now it was like vertically stretched, now it is proper, there's no stretch, now covering the div. So you can see here, this is our section 4 which we have completed. Not yet, because we didn't add the button in the bottom, this one button. Where is the button? Okay, so go to file, and in the menu tab, after the content, after the menu div, add a button using anchor tag. In this, give it a class, first write discover entire menu, give it class org button, save it. So here you can see this is the button, and now we are done with our section 4 and section 3. So we completed section 3 and section 4 in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any update.